Hello, my name is Mihao, and I'm going to quickly take you through a quick demonstration video explaining my system software assignment 1. Um, so for this assignment, we had to create a daemon, which would essentially um, manage the shared directory these three folders. And at half 11 every single night, it would check if all the files have been uploaded to this folder here. And then at 1, it would move all the files that were in here to the dashboard directory, as well as then copying them to the backup directory. Um, so then we have a backup of what we moved initially from the shared directory to the dashboard. Um, so to start us off, we need to create some reports. So I'm going to run the create report command here. So we can choose our departments. We have 4 separate departments as the project outlined. So we'll go for 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what this does is this creates 4 separate XML files here inside of our shared directory. We can see that it's the type of report that it is, who was reported by, and the date and time that it was submitted at. So now what we can do is we can run our daemon. Oh, sorry, I forgot to do the make first. So I need to make my files first. Right, so we run our make file, which creates our daemon. So now when we run our daemon, we can check that it is running here in the logs. We see that we have created our reports and that our daemon has started to run. Now we set up the daemon using the same 5 steps. The program is first forked, the parent process is killed off, the child becomes the session leader, getting the read and write privileges, and then the changes to the directory, and then we change the directory to the root directory and close the file descriptors. Then we initialize initially the time which the XML files are going to get checked and moved at. Following some more logic here, which will basically follow the logic that we need to do to move the files and make sure that they're protected and locked, as well as updating the timer. Right here we take the signal and we can basically perform this task at any time we want. We send the signal to Control C. We don't have to essentially wait till half 11 or 1 a.m. for the process to happen. So to take us through it, we can run our daemon and we can use this ps-ox grep daemon command to check the running process ID of our current daemon, which we have here as 2988. So we can activate the sigint function and we can kill -2 2988, and this will execute the daemon for us. So now we can see here in our log the daemon has started and it received the signal interrupt command. So successfully it initiated the backup and transfer. So first to check the file uploads. All of the files are present in the shared directory that are meant to be. Not anymore, as you can see they've been moved. We'll go back to the log really quick. We then lock the directories so that no one else has access to them. Following the locking the directories, we collect them, so that's moving them from the shared directory to the dashboard directory, and then we back them up, which is essentially moving them from, copying them from the dashboard directory to the backup directory. We also wait 30 seconds after we do this. As you can see, we can reload now. We unlock the directories then. The reason we wait for 30 seconds is so that the backup has time to finish in case it doesn't. And you can see here, signal interrupt complete. So we've essentially done that now. We have moved the files that were in here to the dashboard directory, and they've been backed up here. Now just to show you, if we try to run this command again, logs.txt, it's going to tell us now that we have the following files missing from our shared directory, which we in fact do. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and listening to my presentation. I believe that's everything. Um, I don't think I've missed out on anything, but yeah, I've commented and talked about all the code in my reports, which I hope will be sufficient enough um, alongside this video. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice night. Have a nice weekend whenever you're deciding to watch this. Thank you.